Welcome friends, welcome to my channel that is Rucha's Advice Box. Today I am going to tell you some happiness quotes and their explanation also. First one is there's healing after pain just like sunshine after rain. Means healing means what? The process of making sound or becoming healthy is what we say that healing. Then sunshine after rain means when rain goes away, the sun shines and the rainbow comes. Then it is looks like healing after pain. Then next one, we all have different reasons to be happy. Means all are happy in their life, but each and every person has different reasons to for their happiness. One can have for better marks, one can have for better knowledge, etc. So let's move to our next thought, that is don't forget to smile. Let's smile. So now, what is smile? Smile is some action which makes you feel fresh. Um, to feel fresh, you should not forget to smile. Now our next one is don't change the way you are just to make somebody happy. This you does not change the way of living your life, but you can because you are just to somebody make somebody happy. Means uh, because of you, so, anyone, someone can become happy. So don't change the way of your living way of your life. So if you are positive role, you cannot enter the negative role. Okay, so our next is life goes on, live it well. Means your life goes on, goes till your old age, but it by itself. But if it itself, goes by itself, so you should live it well, and you can live it well. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please share, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.